dolls, welcome back to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I wanted to share a super quick project. Like, this takes a couple minutes, if that much, you know, depending on what you want to do to this. But I had purchased from Hobby Lobby these 12 by 12 pre-made scrapbook pages. That's what these are. And I had purchased them with a project in mind, which is this, to use them as backgrounds for pictures on my new DDF Crafts Instagram, but also for my nail tutorials that you will see on my video, on my channel, excuse me, and also for some nail pictures for my nail line and my nail lines Instagram. Okay, and this was super simple. I purchased two of this one because I knew I would want to use it for both my Instagrams, and they only had one of the other one that I'm about to show you. So this is what it looks like. Okay, the frame didn't have anything on it, and all of these little pieces that you see on here are dimensional, so you can just pop them up on some foam. Take your ephemera from like all of those Maggie Holmes collections, or if you're like me and you have some from AC Digitals, you could print them out and make them whatever size you want, because that's what I'm gonna do. And I'll be also showing you all some more backgrounds that I'll be creating, just, you know, something different. And then they also had this one, and I love this one because it has like the little Polaroid on it. I just thought that was so cute. Has the little banner flags, the butterflies, the roses. Those aren't roses, the flowers. I think those are peonies. I'm not sure. But yeah, so these were on clearance for 62 cents is what I paid, and they're originally $2.49. And the Paper Studio goes on 50% sales quite often. So even if you don't find it on clearance, but you can find it like this, like the paper scrap them packages that we get that has the enamel dots and the stickers and the chipboard stickers and such. You could just use those 12 by 12 pages to make your own backgrounds to match your projects, and you know, just to switch it up a little bit. But yeah, so this is what I came up with, and I used these stickers. And I purchased these stickers from, that is such a tongue twister, from Tuesday Morning. These stickers from Tuesday Morning. And I do have some smaller ones that I purchased from Walmart, but I wish they would have mixed it up with the capital and lowercase letters, but they didn't, and that's fine because this one ended up working out. So that little framed area, it works perfectly for what I want to be able to do. So I hope that this was a quick craftspiration for you all. I plan to make a couple more. I feel like these are great, like to just sit and do while watching a movie or something. You can just cut up all your ephemera, get your pages, and just get to sticking down. So I love this, and you guys will be seeing these. So if you do see them in any of my pictures or videos and you're wondering what it is, here you go. All right. So thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you have not. Share the video, and I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video. As always, and until next time, have a great day, dolls. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.